Hola, hello! Kumusta, Wanderistas? Namamahalan ka din ba mag-buffet sa Solaire? Naku mga beshies, wait till you see these 7 highlights na susulit sa bayad mo dito sa Fresh International Buffet at Solaire Resort North. At yung top 1 highlight natin, Unli Ito Girl. At ROI ka na agad-agad. Kaya naman ano pang hinihintay mo? Let's begin the countdown with the highlight of the month station. Try the kimchi fried rice, ang sarap. Next is itong Filipino carving station. May pork belly, ihaw steak, at iba pa. And of course, the crowd favorite, the Japanese station na hindi lang isa kundi dalawa. On our 4th spot is itong dessert station. Try the crepe and ice cream. Yum! Next is itong napakaraming selection ng cheese and cold cuts dahil on our 2nd spot is itong perfect partner and free-flowing wines and beers. And finally, on our 1st spot is itong pa-unlimited lobster ni Solaire. Hindi tinipid, napaka-fresh at worth it talaga. So ayan mga beshies, kita-kits sa sunod na Foodie Wonder. Until next time, ciao!